wishes to take this opportunity to express our deep condolences to the victims and the family members of those who are affected. And our hearts are with the people of Fiji. And we have been following closely the situation, and we have been trying to contact with the National Disaster Management Office and to see what China can do in this regard. And we learned that some equipments are much needed, like the chainsaws, like the portable water pump. So we decided that we can do something. So we decided to donate a batch of equipment and worth of 40,000 Fiji dollars to show our support. So the message, Honourable Minister, and the media that I want to send here is that China has always been a steadfast and reliable development partner for our friend in Fiji. And this has been tested true in the past, and I'm sure will continue to be tested true in the future. Whenever there is a need, China is there.
Thank you.
So, and recently we had set up a new agency in China, that is the State International Development Cooperation Agency, aiming to coordinate better China's future foreign assistance, and also to help the One Belt and One Road initiative to connect with the development strategies of our friends. So I'm sure with this agency being established, that China will be in a better position to help our friends and to achieve common development in the future. And of course, we'll push our bilateral relations to a new height. Thank you. Thank you, Minister.
Thank you. Excellency, may I, on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister and Government, again, first acknowledge you this morning for your presence, and most importantly for the kind donation, again, from the People's Republic of China through your good office. I know that just most recently, during Gita, you also came to our assistance, and of course we again deeply appreciate this kind of assistance again from your good office. For us, as we constantly have been mentioning that this is the new norm. This is how climate change is affecting us, and particularly small, vulnerable island states like Fiji. I did mention most recently in Parliament that we are coming to the end of our cyclone season. But let's not only focus on cyclones. One thing that is very interesting and is alarming as well is the changing weather patterns, and particularly the rainfall patterns in Fiji, where we are experiencing torrential rainfall within a very short period of time, which causes huge devastation. And of course, the most recent one, as a result of tropical depression 12 Foxtrot, and that also led to cyclone Josie, is a perfect example of what we have been saying all along, that the changing weather pattern and climate change is seriously affecting us here in the small island vulnerable states. And we are thankful that we have partners like the People's Republic of China, and may I again acknowledge your good self for your kind assistance and donation. It's unfortunate that we lost a few lives, and of course it only makes us stronger in our attempt to rebuild and of course focus on our adaptation and resilience measures that is part of our recovery process, and of course the overall development plan that we have. For your information, Excellency, as we speak, we are also developing our disaster risk reduction policy, which is in line with the Sendai framework, and we hope that again will help us to prepare better for the future, help raise our level of resilience, and most importantly, so that our people and the economy and the communities can cope well in future disasters. You have mentioned in our initial greetings this morning that China will remain a reliable and steadfast development partner, and for that we are grateful, and of course we look forward to our continued cooperation in the future. Let me assure you, Excellency, that these items of donation will be used for the very purpose that you have given it, and we will try our very best to take it to the areas, particularly in Ba. I have been in Ba in the last 2 days, and I intend to visit Ba again tomorrow, just to see how we are coping with the cleaning up, and of course the distribution of rations, and the other work that is being undertaken in the Western Division particularly. We know that there's another one coming up, another
weekend.
System is developing, but life goes on.
Yes.
And for the time being, we'll continue with our initial focus on the 7 areas where we want to focus on, so that we can recover quickly and bring life back to normalcy to all Fijians. So thank you once again, Excellency, and may I again, on behalf of government, thank you indeed for this kind donation, and wish you all the very best, and of course assure you again of our continued cooperation and our bilateral relations. Sheshe. Thank you, Excellency.
These instruments will be used by the operation team.
Just no, we have government officials. We have government officials who are there. What we did, the military engineers.
Yes.
They are operating the chainsaws.
Yes.
Most of the water pumps are operated by the National Fire Authority over there, because they have expertise in that area as well. What we're doing is we are sucking water from things just to flood the area again, particularly because there's a lot of symptoms that have started in the area, and then